Hi, my name is Jovi, the project head of Pick and Plant event, Planting the Future One Summit at a Time. So this is the second activity of Trek with the Excitement Outdoor Club. The goal of this activity is to promote tourism while giving back to nature.
Tuloy-tuloy yung activities sa ganito kasi syempre nakakatulong tayo sa environment at the same time sa community ng barangay or kung anong project ang ibibigay namin. At the same time, my expectation, of course, sana mag-enjoy ang lahat sa hiking at the same time sa tree planting activity.
Maugma kami ta medyo dako lang aming participants today, and syempre ang expectation ko maging maganda yung flow ng aming event ng Pick and Plant. Then sana may mag-continue pa din sa ganitong tree planting event dito sa Barangay San Bernardo, TV.
Part of this journey brought us to San Bernardo, where our impact becomes tangible. So we are not just passing through, we are digging in. So today, we planted trees that will grow to protect the local ecosystem, restore the green canopy, and support the community of San Bernardo for generations to come.
Planting the future one summit at a time! Pangalawa na namin to na event, and yun, excited and parang nafe-feel ko na bago na naman siyang experience for us sa club. And of course,
can you feel it? Now it's coming back, we can steal it. If we bridge this gap, I can see you through the curtains of the waterfall.
Looking forward kasi sa activity nito, hindi lang planting tree yung gagawin, replanting. Meron din kaming climb for tomorrow. So I think yung kagandahan naman nito is you get to support yung environmental cause. At the same time, you get to enjoy yung scenery na binigay ng nature.
Although I have to wake up early, pero excited at the same time because I know that this activity is a way of returning or giving back sa nature, because of since mahilig tayong mag-hike, dapat kahit papaano we know how to protect the environment. And I think that's the main purpose of this Pick and Plant. And I love this activity kasi nga parang it's also my way of saying thank you sa nature, because the nature has given us so much beautiful scenery to appreciate.
Well, I'm just a boy with a broken toy, all lost and coy. So it's here. Here I stand as a broken
Pick and Plant isn't just a one-day event, it's a mindset. We hope that everyone who watches this and sa lahat ng mga nag-join sa amin walks away knowing that we can explore the world while actively healing it. Thank you to everyone who made this possible, and let's keep planting for the future.
So say Geronimo, 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 say Geronimo.
Hopefully, soon, mabuhay yung mga plants na tinanim namin at makatulong siya sa ating environment.
Na bisita na yaon po ni Digday sa organizer. Maraming salamat po and God bless.